Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Elijah Reyes. This is going to be a introduction to Python. So the overview of this presentation, I'm going to tell you a little bit about me, what Python can be used for, what I'm using for this series of tutorials, and the value that I hope to bring you. So first and foremost, I love to code. I graduated from college in 2017 from the Citadel in a degree in electrical engineering, but I've been teaching myself programming primarily in Python ever since my sophomore year, and I've learned to love code more than what I was actually learning. So by trade, I'm a software engineer. I make apps and software tools for ships. I know networking and security at an intermediate level. I know a lot about virtual machines, and I also test and configure the stuff I build for the ships. On the side, things that I do kind of at home. I make Android apps, desktop apps, so basically just for your computer. Simple software tools that help me at home. I do a lot of Arduino projects, do different electronic projects, and I work on Raspberry Pi as well. So what can I do with Python? Or what can I do just overall with code? A lot of kids, like my little brother, he's 16, knows that people who can program or do any kind of engineering, make cool stuff or get paid get paid well. So things that you can do are making video games, mobile app, desktop apps, machine learning, AI, websites and web apps, um, control electronics, do automation. You can do almost anything in programming. Specifically in Python, all these items tie into Python as well. And programming in general is just a really neat thing to have. And if you ever want to grow in the marketplace, I would highly recommend that you learn how to code. If you want to build something creative, I would highly recommend that you teach yourself how to program. If you can't teach yourself, maybe take some courses. But it's really good to have. And I graduated with a degree, like I said, in electrical engineering, and my passion is absolutely in coding. So what I'm using for this Python intro, these series of tutorials, I'm going to be using my MacBook laptop, Sublime Text. You can just Google it and download it. Um, I've downloaded Python 3.7. You can Google that and download it. You can, um, I think the latest version as of right now is 3.8, but you can just Google and download, like I said. And then I'll be using the Mac terminal, maybe not so much for this intro, but just overall in the series of videos that I'll be doing. The value I hope to bring you is learning by building. So I didn't learn how to code just by learning how to code. I came up with a couple of small ideas for things that I wanted to see if that I could do. And first I started with C, just kind of counting numbers and counting to 10 and little simple things like that. And then I moved on to Python because I wanted to build just some software projects and just having an idea in mind for a product, not really products, but just a tool or an app that I could make. Starting off with Python helped me out a lot because it's so basic, and it really helps you learn the tougher languages like C and Java. So I've got Arduino and Raspberry Pi, C and Java up here because in the future, videos that I will create, we will be making different, uh, just fun little projects using everything that you see here. I want people to learn, especially the younger generation. I want them to learn how to code, learn the electronics, whatever it is, so that they can have an advanced step in life and possibly uh, be prepared even more than their counterparts when it comes to college time.